Hello again in the Wawazen Waterwall school. Today I'm very pleased to show you a new project I'm working on. It is um, actually in the planning phase, but as you can see, it's going to be amazing. By the way, all those components are the idea of my customer. So actually, I like to be creative, but usually I'm just fulfilling my customer's wishes. My customer gave me his ideas, and then I did the 3D drawings here in SketchUp, as you can see, and it really looks amazing. And maybe you can get a feeling what it's going to look like when it's finished. Now it's already super cool when you look at it in this visualization, but when it's going to be built, it's it's going to be even more awesome, because you see we have a glass water wall here. By the way, it's going to have water on both sides because this water is going to be cooled so that the room climate can be edited, and then it's going to continue here to be like a small step water wall here on the stones, and on the left and the right we would have some bamboo, etc. So I'm very pleased to just show you this, to show you what beautiful things can be possible. And now I'm going to make another video for my business partners, because in the public I just show you the look and feel, and now I'm going into the technical details, because you can imagine that we have some challenges regarding the big glass plate fixing, water distribution, etc. So if you want to participate in my project's technical details, please watch my free training for business partners, and then maybe we can become business partners and you can offer such incredible, beautiful projects in your region too with my support. Okay, hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.